Hi, today's double lesson is all about revision. First of all, we're going to do lesson 22, which is exercises from our booklet. Then we'll go to lesson 23 to finish the homework sheet 3, which you will submit for this. So obviously you're going to click on your attendance for week 8. Remember, we weren't here yesterday, so we're just going to go lesson 2 today. And we're going all the way down to lesson 22. And what we need to do is open up our genetics booklet. I'll see if I've got that copy there. So go to page 19, about here. Oops. And all we ask you to do is doing this section here. Remember, these are very important terminology that you need to know if you're going to understand how to do punnets. So do that particular one. There is a correction, as you'll see. You need to re-look at that statement. It's in the lesson plan. Of course, then either do it straight to your Word document and save it. And then we need to go and, sorry, go back to that lesson. There is an optional family genetics activity. You're more than welcome to do that. All it does is it tries to enhance your understanding and your experience. And then we go to lesson 23. Lesson 23 is our homework sheet number 3. So you can download this file here if you want and do it straight from there. Though I did ask you to do question 1 earlier, so if you still got that, remember got you to do that question because it was so important to know these words. And now I just need you to finish off questions 2, which again, understanding the terminology, and then more practice on punnets. Remember the 5 easy steps, defining and so forth. And we have several examples there for you to do. And don't forget to say that and make sure you submit it um, over in the lesson plan right down here, which is worksheet number 3. While we're at it, for as far as assessment goes in your mid-semester report, it will be a case of 3 marks will appear on your topic on your report. The 2 tests that we did for kinematics, we'll average that out. We're only doing the 1 genetics test. That's when you get back. And there should be plenty of further revision time for that. And then we have the number of pracs and that cell assignment. And that will constitute your 3 marks. So, as I say, have a go at revision lesson today. Any questions, please ask.